Welcome to my channel, my Showbiz Corner. Viewers, supporters, subscribers.
Hello 18! Welcome back to my channel, Prince of Pop. Dingdong Avansado, inamin niya pala. Siya ay certified 18 at fan na fan siya ng SB19. Subalit, ang kanyang pinakagusto at pinakapaborito ay si Pablo. Dahil si Pablo ang gumagawa ng kanta at nagkumpos at nagsulat ng kanta halos lahat ng SB19 songs.
That's an easy question. Pablo is a favorite of mine. He's my bias. Sa lahat ng sa SB19, siyang pinaka-favorite ko. Although lahat gusto ko sila and I'm a fan of SB19. But when I found out that it was Pablo who was writing their music, I immediately gravitated towards him. But I like all of them. Collectively, I mean, I'm so impressed with them.
Nanonood mo kayo ng show nila?
Oo, nakapanood ako. Miski na yung sa US, nakapanood kami nila Jessa, nila Jada. But ever since...
Sobrang inspired at admired si Dingdong Avansado kay Pablo dahil sa dedication at artistry sa paggawa ng kanta at album at concert.